ठीक है शुरू। I Raviranjan Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you Beehive for class 9th, Unit 2, Part 2, The Sahnai of Bismillah Khan. This chapter is very important for you. In this chapter, you are able to know about the origin of Sahnai or the history of Sahnai also. How Pungi purified and became Sahnai. In previous classes, I have taught you about this chapter, about the history of Sahnai. The word Sahnai comes from the combination of two words, Sah plus Nai. Nai means barber. First time, Sahnai played by a Nai in the Shah's chamber. So, the word Sahnai comes on the stage. How Sahnai became important musical instrument in the world of music. We also know about the musical instrument, about the Nawbat in this chapter, how Shahs and their courtiers accept this musical instrument. In this chapter, we are also able to know about the importance of music, and I also know about the importance of Bismillah Khan, how Bismillah Khan purified Sahnai. In the earlier stage, Sahnai played in temples or the marriage anniversary. When we heard the music of Sahnai, or image sketches our marriage or the auspicious occasions. I have also taught you two paragraphs in previous classes. Today, I continue this chapter and I will taught you third paragraph. I am going to teach you third paragraph. You listen carefully, third paragraph. As a 5-year-old, Bismillah Khan played Gilli Danda near a pond in the ancient state of Dumrao in Bihar. He would regularly go to the nearby Bihariji temple to sing the Bhojpuri Chaita, at the end of which we would earn a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg, a prize given by the local Maharaja. This happened 80 years ago, and the little boy has traveled far to earn the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna. In third paragraph, we know about the earlier life of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan belongs to Bihar, Dumrao state. When he was 5 years old, he played Gulli Danda near a pond in the ancient state of Dumrao in Bihar. So, the importance of musical instrument, the popularity of musical instrument Sahnai also connected to Bihar. He would regularly go to the nearby Bihariji temple to sing a Bhojpuri Chaita. Chaita is a music. Chaita is a type of song that is sung by local people of Bihar. After Holi, after Holi, the local people gathered together and sing this song. चैता, यानी होली के बाद एक लोकल सॉन्ग है जिसका नाम है चैता। बिहार में जो लोकल लोग होते हैं वे लोग होली खेलने के बाद इस गीत को गाते हैं, चैता को गाते हैं। एंड बिस्मिल्लाह खां ऑल्सो sang this song चैता in Bihari Ji temple, at the end of which we would earn a big laddu weighing 1.25 kg, a prize given by the local Maharaja. The local Maharaja presented gift to Bismillah Khan for his song चैता। जो वहां के लोकल महाराजा थे वे बिस्मिल्लाह खां को 1.25 kg का एक लड्डू इनाम के रूप में दिया, उनके चैता गीत से प्रसन्न होकर के। दिस हैपेंड 80 years ago, ये सब घटनाएं 80 साल पहले हुई थी। एंड द लिटिल बॉय हैज ट्रेवल्ड फार टू अर्न द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड इन इंडिया, द भारत रत्न। और वह छोटा बच्चा जो डुमराव में जन्म लिया था बिहार के, जो गांव में बच्चों के साथ गुल्ली डंडा खेला करता था, जो बिहारी जी टेम्पल में चैता गीत गाया करता था और उस गीत में लोकल महाराजा द्वारा इनाम पाया करता था, वह 80 साल बाद भारत रत्न, जो भारत का सबसे बड़ा सिविलियन अवार्ड है, उसको प्राप्त करता है। दिस स्टोरी इज रियली a very important story for the youngsters who think about his locality, who think about his about his economic status. It is really a very important argument for that youngsters. If you have courage, if you have determination, if you ready to do hard work, you are able to break all boundaries and you become success in your life. Like Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan also related to a poor family. He was like the other children who were born in poor family. And how his devotion and how his determination or hard labor made him success in the field of music, and how he got the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in the field of music. So the life of Bismillah Khan inspired a million of youngsters, a million of general people, a million of youngsters or the million of general people. In fourth stanza, born on 21st March 1916, Bismillah Khan belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar. 21 मार्च 1916 को बिस्मिल्लाह खां एक फेमस म्यूजिशियंस के परिवार में जन्म लिए थे। His grandfather Rasul Bakhsh Khan was the Sahnai Nawaz in the Bhojpur King's Court. उनके दादा रसूल बख्श खान भोजपुर राजा के दरबार के एक फेमस शहनाई प्लेयर थे और उन्हें शहनाई नवाज के नाम से जाना जाता था. His father पैगंबर बख्श and other paternal ancestors were also great शहनाई players. उनके पिता पैगंबर बख्श और दूसरे पैटर्नल जो एंसेस्टर्स थे, उनके पिता के जो पूर्वज थे उस फैमिली के, वे लोग भी महान शहनाई प्लेयर्स थे. फिफ्थ पैराग्राफ. द यंग बॉय टू म्यूजिक अर्ली इन लाइफ at the age of 33 when his mother took him to his maternal uncle's house in Banaras, now Varanasi. Bismillah Khan was fascinated watching his uncles practice the Sahnai. Soon Bismillah Khan started accompanying his uncle Ali Bakhsh to the Vishnu temple of Banaras, where Bakhsh was employed to play the Sahnai. Ali Bakhsh would play the Sahnai and Bismillah Khan would sit captivated for hours on end. Slowly he started getting lessons in playing the instrument and would sit practicing throughout the day. For years to come, the temple of Balaji and Mangla Maiya and the banks of the Ganga became the young practice's favorite haunts where he could practice in solitude. The following waters of the Ganga inspired him to improvise and invent rags and were earlier considered to be beyond the range of the Sahnai. In previous paragraph, we know about the early life of Bismillah Khan. We also know about the ancestral parents of Bismillah Khan, about his father, about his grandfather, or about his paternal ancestors. In third paragraph, we know about the Bismillah Khan, how Bismillah Khan improved himself in the field of Sahnai. Today I stop my lecture, and the next class I describes the third paragraph. The third paragraph is very important for you, so you must go through the book and you try to understand this chapter. And the next class I will discuss third paragraph, fourth paragraph, and the others. Thank you.